Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my videos, comment, share, like, all of that jazz. Basically today I'm going to be doing a length check video. I tried to straighten my hair, and as you can see, that was a fail because I straightened it and it looks like I blue dried it. But I basically kept it like this until I was ready to make a video. So now I'm ready. So yeah, I was basically straightening my hair to see how long it was and to see what needed to be trimmed. So I wasn't gonna go back and continue passing the straightener in my hair because I've gotten heat damage and I don't want no heat damage. It's the first time I straightened my hair since I've been natural. So I was like, if one pass ain't gonna do, it is what it is. We'll try again next year. So yeah, I'll go ahead and insert some clips so you can see how I straightened it, but it started fluffing up since I live in a hot area in Florida, so it's humid and it's hot, so my hair had no chance, as you can see. So basically, I'm going to be doing a length check. So I'm going to be using my measuring tape to measure how much my hair has grown. Okay, so the front area. I was at 5.5 inches. So now seven and a half. All right, the left side, I was at 6.5 inches. So that's 8.5. And the right, I was at 6'8". So let's see. Clearly, I'm struggling. All right, so the right side I'm at 8 inches, and then the back. So that's 7.5. All right, so I feel like majority of my hair, I've grown 2 to almost 3 inches in certain areas. But yeah, I just basically wanted to show you guys how much my hair grew and kind of show myself so I can start setting my goals for the year. My goal is basically to be waist length, but obviously that's not going to happen in a year. But I definitely want to pass armpit length, so I definitely need to continue doing what I'm doing. My hair is getting really long. really proud of myself for not straightening my hair. Because the last 2 times that I was natural, I straightened my hair and it got heat damage, and I've learned my lesson. So I'll basically do a 6-month length check video and then a 12-month length check video to see the progress, to see how far I've come. People ask me, my hair just grows really fast, what do I do? And really, it's just the key, you know, just have to have a regimen. Number one, try to set a regimen for your hair. I basically wash my hair every week. I also deep condition my hair every week. I also moisturize my hair. I wouldn't say on a daily basis, because I'll be lying if I said on a daily basis. May possibly like every 2 to 3 days, like when I really see it's dry. And sometimes I'll do like a braid, like I try to do a braid out or a twist out, and I actually leave the braids or the twist in for a couple days before I actually take it out. Those are my like little mini protective styles. And those seem to work great for me. Basically just, you know, stick to my regimen and find products that work for me. I found shampoos that work, that make my hair feel really moisturized but clean my scalp and my hair. I also found really good conditioners that make my hair moisturized. I deep condition my hair every single week. I don't play about the deep conditioner. Like, I deep condition my hair every week. I don't play. And I started using oils too. The oil that's really been working for me is tea tree oil. I love that. I've been doing the lock method, which is the leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. Or I'll do the LCO, which is leave-in conditioner, cream, oil. You know, it just depends on my mood that day. Honestly, they both work for me. And I just watch a lot of videos on YouTube, just different ways to moisturize my hair or different hairstyles. I follow a lot of people on YouTube, and I like to watch people on Instagram videos as well, just to see what works for them, and then I try to do it and then tailor it to what works for me. And just like me talking to you guys, like, I'm telling you what works for me, and then maybe you can use some of the things that I said and make it work for you. Also, I've had to learn this the hard way, is just to be very, very, very patient with your hair. Your hair is gonna go regardless, and you just have to enjoy it and love it at the stages that they are. And trust me, I understand. You know, I definitely understand, because sometimes I'm just like, dang, I wish my hair was longer. But at the same time, it's like, if your hair's longer, it's gonna be a lot more work, and you're already lazy. So are you gonna do it? No. So it's just like things like that, you know, just do what works for you, and, you know, keep your hair protective. I sleep with a satin bonnet every night. All right, I'm lying. I didn't sleep with it for the past 2 nights, but we're not gonna tell nobody. But majority of the night times I sleep with a satin bonnet. When I wash my hair, I use a t-shirt. I don't use a towel. And yeah, just little tips like that, you know. Just do your research, you know, and stick with a regimen, you know. Do the same thing you do every single week. Well, if it's not a week, you know, every couple days. Like, if I feel like my hair is just gross, I'm gonna wash it, you know. And that's what really helps my hair grow. And really, my hair is growing anyway, but I feel like retaining the length, these are the tips to retain length. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.